Do you feel exhausted no matter how much sleep you get? Like you wake up and think, why am I still so drained? You're not alone. Most entrepreneurs struggle with low energy levels. And trust me, I've been there. When I first started building my online business, I thought that the grind was just part of the hustle. But here's the thing, if you will not fix your low energy levels, you are leaving money on the table. Your business will suffer, your focus will disappear, and burnout will sneak up on you. When I realized this and took action on my health, it was a game changer. To unlock higher energy levels and to thrive in both my health and my business. Here's the deal. Your energy levels is like battery, and your sleep and recovery is like charges to that. But most entrepreneurs have faulty cables that don't really give them this energy they need to get their business to another level. They don't know how to charge properly and they are running on 5% all day. I know this because I lived it. I was pulling late nights, depending on caffeine, and didn't really getting much rest. Working my tail off but felt like I was dragging. But the problem wasn't the lack of effort, it was the lack of strategy. I thought hustling was the key. But the truth is I needed to prioritize my healthy habits to fuel my energy. Let me share with you the 3 biggest shifts I made to increase my energy. Number 1. Master your sleep recovery. Sleep isn't just about hours, it's about quality. Think of it like recharging your phone. If your charger is faulty, it doesn't matter how long you plug it in. Here's what I did. Set a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Block out or dim blue light 2 hours before going to sleep. You can use blue light blocking glasses. Optimize your sleep environment. That was one of the things that improved my energy levels a lot. Blackout curtains, so black room, make sure it's black. You can also use plugs like this to your ears, so your brain doesn't wake up in the middle of the night because of some noise. Or just use it to make sure your sleep isn't disturbed during deep sleep, which is the most important part of the sleep. So if you do not want to use this one, you can also play some white noise. But make sure this isn't really loud. Make sure your room is cool, not cold, cool. Energy doesn't only comes from caffeine. I will even argue the caffeine don't give you any energy because it just blocks out the receptors that's supposed to for you to feel tired. Energy comes from nutrition. You are either fueling your body to perform or slowing it with the junk. Start the day with protein and healthy fats, so saturated fats, not monosaturated. Monosaturated are the worst ones. It's really difficult to your body to get rid of these mono fats. Skip the sugary breakfast. Just don't eat it. High protein, high fats. Hydrate. Most of us are dehydrated, and I will even say that 80% of population of USA is dehydrated. That's the fact. That's from the study I've read. And most of these people don't even know they are dehydrated. So as soon as you wake up, drink 1 big cup of water or 2 smallers. It doesn't matter. Just drink some water. Eat for energy, not for taste. Third thing is to move to build momentum. Think of movement like jump-starting your battery. You don't have to run marathons, but sitting all day drains your energy. I started with something really simple. Every morning straight after waking up, I just do quick movement. Whether it's walk, push-ups, squats, jumps, it doesn't matter. I just move my body. But here's the truth. If you are an entrepreneur, your energy is your business. Without it, you can't really think clearly, execute on ideas and lead your team. And the best part, you don't have to spend hours in gym to improve that. If you will start with these 3 habits, better sleep, improved nutrition, and just moving your body more, you will feel difference in days. Now, if you really want to take this to another level and really unlock your peak performance, I've put a program which will do exactly that. Click the link below to grab it and start thriving instead of just surviving. You owe it to yourself and to your business to show up at 100%. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your entrepreneurs friends. Let's build a community of high energy and high performance leaders. See you in the next video.